Morning, students. So in the last class we have stopped the chapter, that is the salted crabs. We have stopped till that Johann wanted to join his friends by sailing his boat. So what did he do with the crabs? So Johann understood their question. We will send the crabs home by I will put the salt on them. Mother will get salted crabs, he said. So Johann said to Chai and Carly, we will send the crabs to home by putting the salt on them. He emptied the packet of salt on the crabs, then he took the crabs out of the basket. The crabs winked at each other and started running. Now go home quickly. Mother is waiting. Turn right at the crossing. It is the last house in the lane. Johann shouted to them. So here students, when he emptied all the salt on the crabs, then he took the crabs out of the basket. Then crabs winked at each other. So winked means closed and opened one eye quickly at each other and started running. Who started running? The crab started running. So the Johann was shouting, now go home quickly. Mother is waiting. Turn right at the crossing. It is last house in the lane. Johann was shouting there. So the crabs waved their pincers at Johann. They quickly found their way to the river and disappeared. Johann joined his friends. So pincers. So the crabs waved their pincers at Johann. They quickly found their way to the river. So they didn't go back to home. They will quickly find their way to river and they have disappeared. Johann joined his friends who were sailing the boats. Where is your boat, Johann? His friends asked. So his friends were asking, where is your boat? Here it is, he said, showing them the folded white salt packet. Johann continued to play with his friends till sunset. Then he waved goodbye to his friends and started for home. So here students, when his friends were asking where is your boat, he was shouting that here it is, he said, showing the folded white salted paper. He was showing the folded white salt packet. So Johann continued to play till the sunset. With his friends he continued to play. And after that in the evening, then he waved goodbye. He was telling goodbye to his friends and he started going to home. As they were returning, Chai heard a familiar whistle. He began tugging at Johann's trouser. Oh, mother is calling. I must hurry, said Johann. So here when he was returning back to his home, so the Chai was hearing that some familiar voices coming from far away. So and after that Chai was tugging. So tugging means pulling. Pulling is treasure. So Chai was pulling his Johann's treasure. So that time even he also heard that, oh, mother is calling, I must hurry. And Johann was running. The crabs could walk, so I sent them home. When he reached his house, his very angry mother was waiting at the door. Where are the crabs and the salt? I asked you to get, Johann. So when he reached his home, his angry mother was waiting near the door itself. So his mother asked, where is your crabs and the salt? I asked you to get, right? So where is that? She was shouting at him. So the crabs could walk, so I sent them home. I put the salt on them so that they could carry it home to you. I even told them the way home. But the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river. I'll go and find them, Johann said with great, great confidence. Johann's mother laughed. Then her face began to turn red. Johann rushed towards the river. Carly and Chai followed him. So here students, when the Johann mother asked where is the crab and the salt, so he told that crab could walk, so crab can walk, so I sent them to home. So I put the salt on them so that they could carry it home to you. So the salt and the crab. So I even told them. So he told the crabs the directions also, right? So that itself he is telling to his mother. I even told the direction, but the disobedient crab must have taken a shortcut to the river. So Johan told, I'll go and find the crabs in the river. So with Johan, with great confidence, he went to the riverside. So Johan's mother was laughing, and then her face was become red. And Johan rushed towards the river, and Kali and Chai also followed them. When the Johan rushed towards the river, even the Kali and Chai also followed them. His pets were also followed them. So this is the chapter about salted crabs. Okay. So in the next class, we are going to discuss with the question and answers which are there in your course book. So thank you, students.